So your SAP is a software. It is a pre-designed software. It is a pre-designed software with lot of features catering the requirements of different departments in my organization. So it is a pre-designed software catering requirements for different departments. Let me give an example. For example, I want to sell a good to a particular customer. When I am selling the good to the that particular customer, what I do, I'll punch an invoice. I want the system to provide an invoice. So I have to enter all the details related to who is the customer, what is the materials they have taken, and what is the amount pricing for each of it. And then finally, I have to provide the invoice copy in a particular format. So all these are already pre-designed and available with SAP, meeting the different countries' requirements. So it is already pre-designed. All you can do basic customization. If SAP is not offering some additional customization as a company, you can do additional customization. Now, uh, as part of when we are using this product in our organization, SAP doesn't know who is going to use it. Whenever you buy an SAP software, it doesn't know who is going to use it. Okay. So we need to set up the SAP system for our organization. So that is where a consultant will come into the picture. I'll now go through what are the different type of people who will work on an SAP system. So we have two people who will be working on SAP system. They are first one is consultant and you have end user. So let me take one car manufacturing company or a beverage company or any large company who have a global presence across the world. So they are manufacturing this product, whatever they are into. Now they want to use a software. So will they have an idea how to set up the software? Absolutely no. They don't know. They only know how to make their product better and how to make a better product than our previous product. They will not be aware of what is this software, how to set up this. They will not understand all of this. If you train the employees who are working there, they will just use it for billing purposes. Simply, for example, same like your mobile phone. When you bought a new mobile phone, it doesn't know who is going to use. A Mandarin person is going to use, or a Japanese company, a Japanese person is going to use, or a English speaking person is going to use, or a French person is going to use it. It doesn't know. So the initial language setup, initial settings should be done to the mobile. It belongs to Mr. Peter or it belongs to Mr. John. It doesn't know anything. So you need to know, or you need to pass all those input details to the mobile. And then that after that initial setup is done, then it will understand, okay, it is configured to for this particular person. And whenever you dial up, so that it reaches to so and so person. Same way, you bought an SAP software from the SAP company. It doesn't know which company is going to buy it. So they bought it. In that SAP software, you need to load all the company information. Now, what will you load? So you have to first inform the SAP system how many countries you are doing business. SAP doesn't know. So you are doing business in some 30, 40 plus countries. Okay. So create the structure for all the 30, 40 plus countries. And it doesn't know what is your department structure. So your finance department, how many divisions are there? It doesn't know. Your sales department, how many sales organizations are there across your uh, it doesn't know. Your purchase organizations, it doesn't know. Your transportation points, it doesn't know. Your shipping points, it doesn't know. So there are different all this establishments of a company that needs to be loaded into the SAP system or should be first configured. That is called initial setup. So For that purpose, we have consultants. And the after the setup, who is going to use it? The employees of a particular company. They will do the daily billing, like your supermarkets or your shop floor people who will be using SAP system, or they are called end users. End users are the key people. They are the ones finally who will use it. Whereas consultants are the one who set up the system, who set up the SAP software based on business requirements. So the it will keep changing. So the setup keeps changing. As a consultants, so in this course, what we are going to do is we are going to learn the consultant course. The consultant has to have an idea of what end users also does in the system. So consultants are the ones who will set up the SAP system. Depending upon the different departments available in the organization, you have FI, SD, MM, PP, QM, LE, uh, uh, so on. The list is very big. All these different departments will have different consultants available. All these consultants will understand the business and create that setup in the system. FI person will do the FI setup, SD person will do the SD setup, MM person will do the MM setup, HR person will do the HR setup, PP person will do the production planning setup, PM person will do the plant maintenance setup. Like that, different departments will do the setups. And once all these people will do the setup, then the system is ready to use. And these end users can use the system. It's like I'll give another common analogy. Uh, Consultant is like a mechanic. End user is like a car owner or a driver. So the person who is driving the car doesn't need to know how to repair the car, right? The driver or owner of the car, they use it daily. They are the daily users. They will use it daily. But when it is having some trouble or issues or breakdown or service, who has to do it? Consultant has to do it. It's not the end user will not have all the end users with experience. They might get some little idea, but consultants are the ones who will set up the SAP system. So consultants are like your SAP mechanics. So they will fix the SAP system. So coming to this on idea, we have different types of consultants available in the SAP. Okay.